Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Nordiv 8 Tactical Work Boots. The ankle-high protection wraps around and supports the ankles. The YKK side zipper with hook and loop strap closing makes it simple to put on and take off. Your feet will stay cool and dry thanks to the breathable fabric. And premium abrasion-resistant leather offers complete protection. This hybrid structure provides optimal comfort while also ensuring breathability and long-term protection. Designed for daily use as well as outdoor activities such as camping, climbing, cycling, fishing, jungle, running, mountaineering, and traveling. Side zippers are fantastic because, once adjusted, they function as pull-on boots while the laces stay tied. The strong, genuine leather shell of these motorcycle boots for men can protect your feet from the elements while you're out on your bike. The slip-resistant rubber sole keeps you stable, and the luminous material makes you more visible in low-light settings. These men's work boots have a polyurethane midsole for added cushioning and protection on the road. The Rock Steady Protect feature also helps to stabilize your foot and ankle while riding, providing you with an extra measure of safety. These combat boots for guys are made of natural real leather and are both fashionable and functional. With a modern aesthetic and a comfortable fit. Motorcycle boots are made to be strong and long-lasting. You'll feel better knowing you're wearing footwear that can resist the worst situations. Look no further for a high-quality pair of motorcycle boots at a reasonable price. These boots are made to last, making them an excellent investment for your wardrobe. They're also available in a variety of colors and sizes, allowing you to choose the ideal Bottage de Moto Para Hombre. Our second best motorcycle boots is Harley-Davidson Motorcycle Boot. A classic full-grain leather lace-up riding boot with a workman's spirit and the power of Harley-Davidson, designed to stride over anything the world has to offer. To protect your feet on and off the bike, the men's Badlands boot has a robust oil-resistant rubber outsole and a Goodyear welt construction. The Badlands riding boot is designed for adventure. The Goodyear welt construction is long-lasting, and the full-grain leather upper keeps debris off your feet. This mentality is evident in the logo treatments and performance elements used in diverse combinations in each style. Coming from a free spirit background, it was a logical option to emblazon their banner with the words, "Step into a legend." Tactical boots uppers are made of genuine cow suede leather and BK mesh material, which is very wear resistant and provides exceptional comfort and flexibility. Mesh lining keeps feet dry and comfy on lengthy damp treks. The use of two closing mechanisms, hook and loop and laces, gives a pleasant and secure fit. Protective reinforcement on the toe cap, heel, and ankles gives exceptional support and security. Natural rubber sole provides exceptional non-slip grip and enables sandals' natural flex. The gear shift panel provides excellent grip and handling. These combat motorcycle boots for guys include a stylish lace-up style, an internal zipper, a padded collar and a cap toe. These men's casual dress boots include a high-grade rubber sole and a cushioned collar for comfort. Third choice in our list is Shima SX2 Evo motorcycle shoes. The reinforced heel, dual ankle support, and strengthened toe cap, along with a rubberized gear change pad, protect the foot and lengthen the life of motorcycle boots. More than half of the motorcycle trainers include perforated suede, which provides for optimal air exchange during a ride and helps your foot to breathe after a hard day at the workplace. Rubber sole that is oil resistant and non-marking, with an integrated steel shank for further protection and strength. The trainers come with two pairs of shoe laces, a mix of black and fluo yellow for the optimum fit with your motorcycle accessories. The classic black or brown color will match your vintage motorcycle jacket while providing optimal comfort and protection on the bike. These men's motorcycle boots have a lace-up construction for enhanced support, as well as an inside zip to make them easy to put on and take off. A men's motorcycle boot has never looked so good. Made of premium materials with a high sheen and a smooth touch. These combat motorcycle boots for guys include a stylish lace-up style, an internal zipper, a padded collar and a cap toe. These men's casual dress boots include a high-grade rubber sole and a cushioned collar for comfort. These men's motorcycle boots have a lace-up construction for enhanced support, as well as an inside zip to make them easy to put on and take off. A men's motorcycle boot has never looked so good. Made of premium materials with a high sheen and a smooth touch. Number 4 in our side is Borlani motorcycle boots. Motorbike shoes have a street-styled upper made with strong breathable fabrics for maximum comfort, durability, and style. Motorcycle riding shoes with casual appearance and protective features are an excellent choice for any rider. Riders are kept safe by impact-resistant boots. The ankle and heel are protected by a PP shell, which provides all-around strategic protection and flexibility in important regions. Motocross protective boots, with extra thickened toe cap, microfiber gear shifter protection, wear resistant, used for gear shift, protect the shoes. When riding a motorbike, quality protection gear is essential. Casual motorcycle shoes with a rubber sole that is anti-skid and wear resistant to increase boot durability and stability. The side zipper design of the high-top motorcycle shoes allows for quick and easy putting on and taking off, eliminating the need to tie your shoelaces regularly, and providing a secure and comfortable fit. Made with high-quality handcrafted synthetic leather for extra comfort, durability, water resistance, and breathability. Our thick nylon waxed boot laces are not only water resistant, but they also keep their shape and stay tighter for longer periods of time. With every step you take, our padded interior, triple-stitched exterior, and rubber soles provide flexibility, comfort, durability, impact resistance, and traction, making them ideal for any activity, climate, work, or rugged outdoor environment. Our boots put in the effort so you don't have to. Motorcycle boots that are both comfortable and simple to wear on extended rides. Gear that is both safe and resistant. Last in our top 5 best motorcycle boots list is Harley-Davidson Rambert motorcycle boot. The Harley-Davidson motorcycle boots for guys are ideal for those long days spent driving around. These boots are a must-have for any fashionable person. They provide both comfort and durability thanks to their full-grain leather uppers, mesh lining, and Goodyear welted outsoles. You will not have to replace them anytime soon. These outdoor-inspired boots are an absolute must-have for any adventurer. Slipping them on and attaining a secure fit has never been easier thanks to their YKK locking inside zipper and pull tab. It's no surprise they're a bestseller. 90% of buyers expressed pleasure with the product and said they would highly suggest it to others. Perfect footwear for riders looking for a water-resistant, long-lasting boot that is also comfy. The luminous features increase your visibility at night, and the easy slip-on design makes them simple to put on and take off. Furthermore, the shifter panel protection keeps your boots looking newer for longer. With an auto-lock YKK zipper and an adjustable Velcro flap. Slip in by sliding down the large auto-lock zipper. Tighten the Velcro flap for maximum weather protection and customization. Have fun on the ride. Water-resistant material will keep your feet dry if you come across some puddles, spray, or rain on your journey. These boots are purposefully built to ride with you for the long haul through the toughest situations, without wearing out. Our Chronox Lawn men's footwear will accompany you on your journey. These boots include anti-slip bottoms to help keep you on your feet if you step in oil or on a slick surface. The VR mixed tread pattern of your new boots provides outstanding, dependable traction on every section of the sole in all expected conditions. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.